Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Airtable bases and records, detailed guide step. To uninstall Airtable bases and records, start by logging into your Airtable account. Select the workspace containing the base you want to uninstall. Navigate to the base you wish to delete. Click on the base to open it. Locate the base name at the top of the screen. Click on the small drop-down arrow next to the base name. Select Delete Base from the drop-down menu. A confirmation dialog will appear. Review the warning message carefully. If you're sure about deleting the base, click Delete. To uninstall specific records within a base, open the desired base. Look for the specific table containing the records. Select the records you wish to delete by clicking the checkbox next to each record. After selecting the records, click on the Delete button that appears. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Your selected records will now be permanently removed. Keep in mind that deleted bases and records cannot be easily recovered. Consider exporting any important data before proceeding with the deletion. Review your workspace to ensure the unwanted bases and records have been removed. You have now successfully uninstalled the desired Airtable bases and records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.